today's video, we're going to discuss about the greatest common factor or the GCF. Ano nga ba ang greatest common factor or the GCF? So that is the biggest number that divides evenly into each number in a given set of number. Or ibig sabihin, yung pinakamalaking number na pwede nating i-divide dun sa given set of number. Pero bago yon, review muna tayo about prime factorization. Let's say we have 8. Ano ba yung prime factors ng 8? So, meron tayong 4 times 2. Okay, because 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, so ganun yung pagkuha ng prime factors. And then, kailangan meron din tayong knowledge about prime numbers. Ano ba yung mga prime numbers? Those numbers na meron lang dalawang factors, which is 1 and itself. Okay, dahil si 2 ay isang prime number, bibilugan na natin siya kasi hindi na natin siya ipa-factor. Ang kailangan lang natin i-factor ay yung mga composite number or yung maraming factors more than 2. And then si 4, dahil si 4 ay hindi pa siya prime number, ipa-factor pa natin siya. And what are the factors of 4? So we have 2 times 2. Ayan, 2 times 2 is equal to 4. And we know that 2 is a prime number, kaya i-encircle na natin siya. Ibig sabihin, nakuha na natin yung prime factors of 8, which is 2 times 2 times 2. Or pwede rin natin siyang isulat as 2 cube. Okay. Dahil meron tayong 3 na 2. That is 2 cube. Okay? So, pwedeng ganito yung answer natin or pwede rin namang ganito. 2 cube. Another example. Let's say 20. Get that 2 factors of 20. Let's say, ano ba yung mga factors ng 20? Pwedeng 2 times 10, pwede rin namang 4 times 5. Pero dito, ang ginamit ay 4 times 5. Kahit alin yung gamitin nating factors, dalawang factors of 20, okay lang yun. Parehas lang yung makukuha nating prime factors. Okay? So dito, ang ginamit natin ay 4 and 5. And dahil si 5 ay isa ng prime number, i-encircle natin siya. And si 4, meron pa siyang factors which are 2 times 2. Ayan. Dahil dalawa na silang 2, and alam natin na 2 ay isang prime number, i-encircle na din natin siya. And then, doon na natatapos. So, ibig sabihin, yung prime factors of 20 is 2 times 2 times 5, or pwede natin siyang isulat as 2 raised to 2 dahil we have 2 2's times 5. Okay? So, pwedeng ganito yung answer natin. Pwede rin namang ganito. Okay, so yun lamang yung review natin about prime factorization. Kailangan natin siya sa pagkuha ng greatest common factor. Okay, so dadako na tayo on how to get or how to find the greatest common factor. Let's say we have 12 and 16. Okay, dahil dalawang number siya, 12 and 16, kailangan natin munang kunan yung prime factors of 12. Ano ba yung dalawang number that if we multiply those two number, the answer is 12. Okay, sabihin natin 6 and 2. 6 times 2 is 12. Ayan. And si 2 is already a prime number, so encircle natin siya. And then si 6, pwede pa natin siyang i-factor. Ano yung dalawang factor ng 6? That is 3 times 2. And si 2 is already a prime number, ganun din si 3. So ibig sabihin, yung prime factorization of 12 is 3 times 2 times 2. And this time, tapos na tayo kay 12, kay 16 naman. Okay, what are those factors of 16? Okay, we have 4 times 4, and we know that 4 is still a composite number, kaya ifa-factor pa rin natin siya. Ano yung factor ng 4? That is 2 times 2. Ganun din sa kabilang 4, 2 times 2. And alam natin na ang 2 ay isa ng prime number, so encircle na natin sila. So ibig sabihin, ang factors ng 16, prime factorization of 16 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Ayan. So, isinulat natin yung lahat ng prime factors of 12 at ganun din yung 16. So, this time, ang hahanapin naman natin ay yung common factors ni 12 and 16. Alin ba yung common factors dyan ni 16? Or alin yung magkatulad na factors ng 12 and 16? So, we have this. Ayan. Ito lang yung common nila. And then, yun lang yung hahanapin natin. That is what we call the greatest common factor. Okay, yung common factor ni 12 and 16 ay yung 2. Okay, and then, after getting the common factors of 12 and 16, 2 times 2, that is equal to 4. So, ibig sabihin, ang greatest common factor ni 12 and 16 is 4. Just simple as that. Okay, another example. Find the GCF of 21 and 36. Okay, so kunin ulit natin yung prime factors of 21. Ano ba yung dalawang number that if we multiply those number, the answer is 21. Okay, so we have 3 times 7. And si 3, it is also already a prime number, encircle natin, and also 7 is already a prime number. So, encircle na natin sila parehas. Okay, so the prime factors of 21 is 3 times 7. What about 36? Okay, so 2 factors of 36, that is 9 times 4. 9 times 4 is equal to 36. So si 9 and 4, parehas silang composite number. So pwede pa natin silang i-factor. Si 9, pwede nating i-factor as 3 times 3. And si 4, ganun din. 2 times 2. Okay, si 3 is already a prime number. So, encircle natin siya. And ganun din si 2. So, ibig sabihin, yung prime factors of 36 are 3 times 3 times 2 times 2. So, alin lang yung common ni 21 and 36? So, si 3 lang, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, ang greatest common factor ni 21 and 36 is just 3. So, again, ang kinukuha lamang natin ay yung greatest common factor. Common, yung pinakamataas na kapareha niya. So, dahil 3 lang yung kapareha niya, so, yun lamang yung ating kukunin. That is 3. So, our greatest common factor here is 3. Okay. Paano naman kapag tatlo na yung given? 24, 40, and 32. So, same process lang yung gagawin natin. Get the prime factors of 24 first. Okay, so we have 6 times 4. Okay, so 6 and 4 are composite number, so pwede pa natin silang i-factor. So, si 6, ano ba yung factors ni 6? 3 times 2. Si 4 naman ay 2 times 2. Okay, dahil si 3 ay prime number na, ganun din si 2, encircle na natin silang lahat. And then, si 40, let's proceed to 40. Ano ba yung prime factors of 40? Sige, factor muna ng 40. We have 10 times 4. Si 10 and 4 are composite numbers, so pwede pa natin silang i-factor. What are the two factors of 10? That is 5 times 2. And si 4 naman ay 2 times 2. Okay, si 5 ay isang prime number, ganun din si 2, so encircle na natin silang lahat. And then, let's proceed to 32. Let us factor 32. Okay, let's use 8 times 4. So, 8 times 4 are both composite numbers. So, ipa-factor ulit natin siya hanggang sa maging prime number. So, si 8, let us factor it to 4 times 2. And then si 4, 2 times 2. So si 2 ay prime number na, encircle natin lahat ng 2. And then dahil si 4 ay composite number pa, pwede pa natin siya i-factor. Let us factor it out. So we have 2 times 2 here. So napakarami ng prime ng factors ng 32 na puro 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then i-arrange lang natin siya. Ayan. So si 24, 3 times 2 times 2 times 2. And then si 40, 5 times 2 times 2 times 2. And then si 32 naman, ang prime factorization is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So alin ba yung common nila? Okay, so ito yung common niya. Ayan. We have, ayan, tatlong 2 yung kanilang common. So, imumultiply lang natin sila. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, that is equal to 8. And yun na yung greatest common factor nung 24, 40, and 32. That's all for this video. Sana ay meron kayong natutunan. If you have questions, then you can ask on the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.